A recent headline claims beavers are a secret weapon against carbon emissions. But here's the thing, this isn't new. Scientists have known about the environmental benefits of beavers for decades. So what's actually going on here? Beavers are what ecologists call a keystone species. That means they play an outsized role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. When beavers build dams, they create wetlands. These wetlands trap sediment, filter water, and crucially, store carbon in the soil and vegetation around them. The carbon storage happens because wetlands slow down water flow. This allows organic matter to accumulate instead of washing downstream. Over time, that trapped material becomes a carbon sink, pulling CO2 out of the atmosphere and locking it away. So why is this being reported as a discovery? The science itself isn't new. Beavers have been recognized as ecosystem engineers for a long time. What's changed is the context. As climate solutions become more urgent, researchers are taking a fresh look at natural processes that were always there. There's an irony here that many people have pointed out. Ecosystems evolved to balance themselves without human intervention. Beavers were doing this work long before we started measuring carbon emissions. The consensus view is that we're essentially rediscovering solutions that nature already had in place. The real story isn't that beavers fight carbon emissions. It's that we're finally paying attention to how much damage was done when beaver populations were decimated. Centuries of trapping for fur removed millions of these animals from North American and European landscapes. With them went the wetlands, the water filtration, and the carbon storage. Now, as beaver populations recover in some regions, scientists can measure the benefits more precisely. They're quantifying what was lost and what can be gained back. That's useful data for conservation policy, but it's not a secret weapon. It's a reminder that many environmental problems we're trying to solve with technology were created when we disrupted natural systems in the first place. Restoring beaver populations won't solve climate change on its own, but it's part of a larger pattern. Protect the species that maintain healthy ecosystems, and you get multiple benefits: cleaner water, flood control, biodiversity, and yes, carbon sequestration, all without building anything new. So beavers aren't a secret weapon. They're a species doing what they've always done, if we let them. The question is whether we're ready to step back and let natural systems do some of the work. What other ecosystem functions do you think we've overlooked?